So yesterday we have seen availability group, and we have seen like we have seen that the stock type FF is coming from the ERP system, and it gets converted into F1 in ROD. Okay, inbound delivery notification and inbound delivery of EWM consist of stock type EWM stock type as F1. Then when you do the put away, the stock gets converted from F1 to F2 because in the final storage type, we have given availability group as 002. So today we will see another scenario how the quality stock is processed. Okay. Now I got a purchase order that I've created. Okay. The purchase order is with the quality stock. Okay. So I'm going to ME23.
Sir, a small dot. Every stock in the purchase order will be in quality. Uh,
No,
hello.
you can your stock level is at the item level, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
So one line item can be quality and another line item can be
10 F2. Fine.
yeah. Okay. Now okay. I've already created a purchase order of two line items, and both of them are quality stock type. Okay, that is QQ. Okay. So where do we assign the quality stock type? It is assigned in the delivery tab. Okay, you go to the delivery tab. Okay, in the purchase order, you can see only three stock types: FF, QQ, and blocked BB. Okay, a return stock is associated with customer returns. Okay, so I have created two purchase order for both of them. I have selected quality. Now I am creating a inbound delivery against this one. Okay. I'm going to take 1010 against this one. Okay, so inbound delivery is created. Okay. The storage location was ROD. Okay. So I'm going to inbound delivery notification. Observe the stock type. Let me go to the okay, someone has changed our okay. I'm going to my warehouse, SUPW. Okay, in the inbound delivery notification, observe the stock type for both of the line items. Okay, so the stock type is Q3. The stock type is Q3. Okay, for both the line items, it will be Q3. Go to the inbound delivery, even that will also have Q3. Now, post the goods receipt. Okay, I posted the goods receipt for the at the other level. So, stock of the both the materials will be increasing. Let me see only for the first material. Okay, SUPL Mac 1. SUP, okay, plant, SUPL plant, okay. If you see, the stock will be updated in the quality, okay. 10 stock is updated in the quality, okay. So this is the stock that is now updated. Now I'll do the put away. I'm selecting the inbound delivery, okay. Okay, clicking on the follow on functions, warehouse task, okay. I'm selecting the first line item. I'm saying create, okay. Go to the default values, okay. Select any bin from the RK01 which is not empty, okay. Okay. So we did not observe the stock in the GR staging area. Let's observe the stock in the GR staging area. You can also do it in two ways. Before I post the put away, I'm observing the stock in the either in the GR staging area or in the monitor. So I'm going to the monitor to observe the stock. Same thing. Okay. Whatever we have observed in the uh, inbound delivery notification. Okay. So I'm going to the stock and bin. Okay, going to the storage bin. I can click on the physical stock. Okay, provide the storage type. 1 minute, please. Yeah, I'm back. So I'm at the, okay, I'm giving the product as a SUPL mat 1. You can also observe the stock in LS02 in the GR staging area. Okay, if you see, the stock is Q3 stock type. Okay, now, now I'm doing the put away. Okay, so to do the put away, okay, select RK01. Take any bin. Okay. Click on create. At this time, nothing will happen. Okay, I'm create plus save. A warehouse task is created. The stock is in the transit. Okay, it is not yet updated in the final. Okay, final destination bit. It will only get updated only when you confirm the warehouse order. Okay, or confirm the warehouse task. Okay, I'm going to the confirm button. Okay, select the warehouse order. Okay, click on confirm plus save. Okay, now, okay, just see the bin in which we have placed the stock. The stock we have placed it in RK010102. Okay, let me refresh it. Okay, this is the line. So you see the stock is converted into Q4. Okay, what happened in ECC system? We received the stock. We received the stock in ECC system. Okay, into the quality. Okay, and in ROD, the stock was updated in ROD first. Now let us see. The stock will be updated into the stock is here. Now I'm doing a refresh. Okay, there's nothing in the AFS. Okay, see the stock moved from ROD to AFS. Okay, I'm selecting this 10 stock type to see the movement type that is triggered. Okay, so 323 is the movement type that triggers. Yesterday it was 411, but now it is 323. Okay, the movement type triggered to move the stock from quality ROD to quality AFS. Okay, so this is how we deal with the quality stock. Okay, so why is it happening and how it is happening? You already know. It is because of the availability check. If you go to the availability check, okay, so 002 is the availability group, that is, I'm sorry, not availability check, availability group. 002 is the availability group that is assigned to your final storage type. Okay, so I'm going to the extended warehouse management, then goods receipt process. Okay, okay, to observe the availability group, go to goods receipt process, then configure availability group. Okay, so goods receipt process, then under this one you have got configure availability group for put away, configure stock type, filter, okay, filter by your warehouse, and the stock type is Q3 or Q4. Okay, but let's see. Okay, if you see this one, Q3 and Q4, okay, we have got 002. Okay, let me do by selection. Okay, by contents, warehouse number, SUPW. I'm appending. I'll append non-dependent stock type QQ. Okay, if you see this one, okay, 002, we have got two line items. Okay, so 002 should convert. Okay, non-dependent stock type QQ can be either should be converted either to Q4 or C4, but it got converted to Q4 because ours is a normal stock. Okay, ours is a normal stock, it's not a custom block stock. Okay, that is the reason it is getting converted into the Q4. Okay, so next we'll go to another scenario, okay, to discuss more functionalities of the availability group. Okay,
Any setting you have done from the product master? I think I missed out something here.
no, nothing setting. Only thing is I've created a purchase order for the quality stock.
Oh,
Okay, no, okay,
Sir,
no.
sir, I have doubt.
Mhm.
Sir, so in the previous screen,
Mhm.
about the normal stock, how did the stock come to know about this is normal stock and it's not a custom stock?
Yeah, that is what is our next
Okay, no problem.
next exercise. Okay, so we will see. Okay, so I'm going to explain you the functionalities of those. So okay, let us go to this storage type. Observe what is normal stock and what is. Okay, let us see the functionalities. Okay, of this availability group. Okay, if you see to go to this node. Okay, so you have got okay, if you, okay, this is the goods movement control. Under the goods movement control, okay, the question you have asked, okay, how it has come to know. Okay, stock type role. Here there's something called a stock type role. If it is blank, then it is treated as a normal. Okay, but if it is, okay, you have got C, you have got scrapping stock as well. Okay, so you can define new stock type roles as well. Okay, from here the stock type role is coming. Okay, please observe the screen. You have something called as non-dependent stock type. Okay, and no GI. Okay, so first of all, we have already discussed these two things. Now we will discuss this thing. Okay, see, assuming that I'm doing a PDI. PDI is like physical check, something like I bring in a quality goods. Okay, my business process is like this one. I'm bringing in a quality goods. Okay, and I'm doing some PDI. Okay, which I'm not capturing in the system, and I'm moving it to the unrestricted stock type. Okay, so the stock from ECC is QQ, but when moved to a particular storage type, it will be unrestricted storage type. Okay, so this exercise is to see the functionality of non-dependent stock type in storage type. Okay, so I'm going to explain you how you can use this one. Okay, this field now, non-dependent stock type field. okay, how you can use. Okay, so for this exercise, I'm going to create a new storage type, okay, by copying it from the exec. Okay, that is my storage type is going to have, okay, the put away rule as 4, which is nothing but open storage. Okay, so I'm creating a new storage type by copying it from the exec. Okay, so we already have got exec. Let me copy it from the exec, create a new storage type. Okay, this storage type is to see the functionality of non-stock dependent storage type. Okay, how you use that field. Okay, okay, so put away rule is general, so I need to create one bin. Okay, I'm going to take availability group as 002 for this one. Okay, I'm not taking exec. I'm going to take availability group as 002 for our exercise. Okay, and in this one, I'm going to put non-dependent stock type as FF. Okay, so whatever the stock type that is coming from the ERP, it will be treated as FF when it comes into this one. Okay, so the mapping it considers is FF. You may bring in QQ, you may bring in BB, but here if it is coming to that storage type, the system will consider that stock type of FF, and whatever you have mapped for the combination of 002 to FF, okay, that it will get converted into that stock type. That is, in this case, the stock is going to get converted into F2. Okay, so I'm saving it. Okay, I'm creating a bin in this one. Okay, okay, I'll create a bin with general bin. Okay, I will be saying it as a general bin. The storage type is general. Okay, for this exercise, let's take the second example. We had second material, right, for which we have not created the okay, for the second material we have not created the okay, so this was confirmed, right? Okay, it is already confirmed. Okay, now I'm going back. We have got the second material. Okay, for the second material, the stock type is still Q3. Any confusion over there? Okay, no confusion, right? I am talking about the SUPL material 2. Okay, let me see the material of SUPL 2 in my warehouse before I show you. Okay, SUPL mat 2 is in ROD. Okay, it is in ROD for 10 quantity. Okay, so now let me also show you stock in the okay, in the ZR zone you can see Q3. Okay, so now I'm going to place this material into general storage type. Okay, so the stock type that is coming from the ERP is QQ, but it will get converted into FF because of this setting. The just now in the okay, just now we have given FF in the non-stock dependent type in the storage type zone. Okay, so now I'll create a storage. Okay, for this one I'm okay, I'm going to the default values. I will say create. Okay, in the edit mode I'm going to select destination bin in general. Okay, create. Okay, now I'm clicking on the create test save. Okay, warehouse order is created. Now I'm going to confirm this warehouse order. Confirm. Okay, so I'm clicking on confirm plus save. Now go and see the stock. The stock will be converted into F2. Why? Okay, you see the stock in the general bin is converted into F2.
Yeah.
Am I fine? Okay, so why it has got converted? Though you are getting QQ from the ERP system, but system is going to take FF as the indicator for the mapping, and it will check in the table that whatever is mapped to the FF for the combination of availability group 002, it will convert that into that stock type. That is, in this case, it is F2, right? Okay. Now we will see another scenario. Okay. So I've shown you how you can see use non-dependent, non-location dependent stock type. Okay. So this scenario we have just now seen. Okay. Now I'm going to the third scenario. The third scenario is, okay, before going there, let me show you the movement type that is triggered. Okay. So prior to this one, the stock was in ROD for material 2. Now I am doing a refresh. Okay. You see the stock is in inspection. Okay. So 10 quantity. Now it will be converted, it will move to AFS, but it will move to the unrestricted. Okay. I'm refreshing it. Okay. See, the stock is moved to the unrestricted. You go to the movement types. Okay, observe the material movement types. Last time it was 323, but this time it is 321. So the movement type to move the stock from quality to unrestricted is 321. Okay, so the movement type that is triggered is 321, quality to unrestricted. Okay. Okay, we'll go to the next type. Okay, so this exercise is now again, okay, to explain you stock type rules. Okay, the prior one was to explain the field non-stock dependent field in the storage type rule. Now I will explain you stock type rules. Okay, the scenario is similar. Assume that the materials are coming for quality inspection. When inspected, if it is in good condition, you want to move it to the general. And if it is not in good condition, you want to move it to the block stock. Okay. So this is the scenario. How, okay. So for this one, I'll create two storage types. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to create two storage types for this one. Okay. So let me do it with the, okay, let me create another inbound delivery. I'll create it only for the second material for this exercise because it has stock in general. We need that one for the next exercise. Okay. So I'm again creating VL31 and I'm creating inbound delivery. Okay. This exercise is for the stock type role. Okay. I'm going to go with only second line item, not the first line item. Okay. I'll take some 100. Okay. I'm saving it. Okay. So this is the inbound delivery that got created 15263. Okay. So I'm going to the inbound delivery notification again. 15263 is our inbound delivery notification. So stock type will be, as you know, it will be QQ. Okay, Q3. Okay. You can observe the stock type. Okay. Okay, I go fast and come back.
Above, little above.
Yeah, it is Q3, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, it is Q3. Then, yeah, okay, now, okay, so we'll do the configurations for this one. Okay, I'm now going to create two storage types. Okay, one is, okay, in ERP system, there's no stock type such as scrapping, but in EWM stock, scrapping stock is blocked stock further bifurcated into stock type role. Okay, see in you can have a number of stock types in the EWM. Okay, just observe this one. Okay, after you will understand this one better after this exercise is done. Okay, so now I'm creating two new storage types by copying availability group. Okay, by copying this GENR. The first one is block. Okay, so by copying this one, I'm creating another storage type which is BLCK. Okay, block to stock for block stock. Okay, the most important thing is come down at the bottom. I'm saying that the okay, what I'm saying, that from the quality stock has come. I've checked it and I see that the stock is not good, so I will send it to the block storage type. Okay, this is what it controls. So non-dependent storage type I'm selecting is BB. Okay, so okay, prior to this one, we have selected FF, but here I'm selecting BB. That is, I'm going to, okay, this is my stock type role is, I'm going to have the stock type role as normal. Okay. Okay, now I'm saving this one. Again, I'm going to create another storage type. Okay, which is scrap for the scrap. Okay, I'm going to create this one as SCRP. Okay. Okay, under the SCRP, please observe this one carefully. Okay, I'm saying that this is also going to be a block stock BB. Okay, but I'm saying that it should be used as a, it will be okay later than scrap. Okay, so you select your stock type role as scrapping stock. Okay, if it is blank, it is treated as a normal. Whether you select N or you don't select doesn't matter. It will be treated as a normal stock. Okay, I'm selecting scrap stock type. Okay, blank represent normal. Now we create two storage bins in the two storage types we have created. Okay, okay, I'm creating the first bin as under the block to one. Okay, block stock bin. Okay, I'm selecting the storage type as blocked. Okay, I'm creating another bin in scrapped one. Okay, as a scrapping bin. Okay, a scrapping bin or scrapping zone. Okay, save it. Okay, now before doing this exercise, observe the stock in MMBE for the second material. Okay, it will be in the quality. Okay, so we can see the material. Okay, we have not posted the goods receipt, right? Okay, let me post the goods receipt for the second material. Okay, we bought in the inbound delivery. Okay, I'm posting the goods receipt for the second material. Okay, I mean inbound delivery notification, inbound delivery. Okay. Here I'm posting the goods receipt. Okay. Now I'll observe the stock for the material. Okay. Observe that it will be into the quality. Okay. The stock is updated into the quality in ROD. Okay. Now I did a PDI. I got two options. Okay. Two options is one option is like, I can put that stock into the take that stock into the block stock type. Otherwise, take the stock into the blocked scrapped storage type. Okay. So
Sir, 1 minute, sir. So when you say PDI, what does mean post? PDI is what? Full form of PDI?
see, PDI is pre-delivery instructions. That is, sometimes you check the material for any
Oh,
external damages.
so sorry,
Pre-delivery instructions. Okay,
pre-delivery.
before. Yeah.
Oh,
So what you do is you will check the contour of the box. Okay.
yeah,
You are not really doing the physical quality check, but you are doing quality check in terms of physical appearance.
yeah. Oh, got it, yeah.
Okay.
PDI. Okay. So just on a process part, so you receive it on the staging area and you are doing a PDI
PDI. Yeah.
after
PDI.
after
Yeah.
receiving.
Yes. And the quality, the stock type you are receiving it is into the quality. You are on the staging area. You are doing a quality check. Okay. You are doing a PDI. Once you observe that, you can, okay, you are observe. Okay. Once, okay, like, if you find something like, damaged, see
Yeah,
here, this scenario is like, if it is damaged, not badly damaged, but
yeah,
you can still handle it, then you will move to the block. Okay.
yeah.
But if it is totally damaged and not you cannot handle it further, you will move it to the scrap. That is the scenario I'm trying to explain.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, just to on the scenario part, so just on a logist means outside of the system as a process. So you got the goods are unloaded to a
Mm.
staging area,
Yeah.
and we have the P means we have receipted here, means we have confirmed here the bound delivery. That means the put away means we have not put away, we have done on the staging area, we have
Yes.
got the stock and we are doing a PDI now.
Yeah.
After doing PDI, we inspected that 50 of them, we're just giving a content like 50 of them are maybe need for a further inspection. So we are moving into block
Yes.
and for means we know that these other 50 will not be not good. So we are moving to the scrap. Uh,
Yes. Absolutely.
but
Absolutely.
and coming back to the system, so when we receipted, when it was receipted on the staging area, it was in status QQ, isn't it? Because the
It is in QQ in ERP. It is in Q3 in EWM. Right.
yeah Q3 in
EWM.
EW. And
Yes.
now we are going to what we if further what we're going to see is we will trying to move into block and okay, got it, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. This one will move it to the block. Let us observe what happens. Okay. This one I'm going to move it to the block. Okay. SUPL MAT2 I'm going to move it into the block and see what happens to the stock type. Okay. So as
Okay.
of now, I'm refreshing the monitor for the second material SUPL MAT2. Okay.
Yeah.
One
You can
question here.
see the stock type is Q3. Okay, let me complete. Okay, let me complete, Abdul. Just give me 1 minute. After completion, you will understand. Okay. So, and this one is more of you to explain you the design of the EWM system. Now, the stock type is EWM. Just give me, let's complete this exercise, then I will answer you, please. Okay. Now, the stock type is Q3. Okay. Now, what I'm doing, okay. Now, you have observed in the ERP system also that the stock is in the quality. Now, I'm moving this one into block to one. Okay. So I will go to the inbound delivery. Okay. We have already did the inbound delivery. I'm going to the inbound delivery, follow
Yeah.
on functions, warehouse task.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm selecting this one. I'm selecting create.
Yeah.
Okay. Default values, and I will select for this one block one.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm selecting block. Okay, in that one, for the block storage type, if you remember, we have given non-location dependent stock type as BB, but we have not given any stock type load. Okay, so the stock will be going into the block to one. Okay, now select this one. Okay, I'm saying create. Okay, create plus save. Okay, warehouse order is created. You have to confirm the warehouse order. Confirm the warehouse order. Okay, so I'm checking and confirming plus save. Okay. Okay, so where was the stock in the ERP system? The stock was in the QQ stock. Okay, on ROD. I'm refreshing it. Okay, so if you see this one, it will move to the AFS block stock. Okay, it is not into the unrestricted because it is block stock. Okay, just observe the stock is moved to the block stock. Go to the material movements and observe the material movement that is triggered. Okay, the material movement that is triggered is 350. Okay. Now observe in the EWM system. Okay, for the second material. Okay, so I'm just refreshing the monitor for the material 2. Okay, you can see the stock type will be B6. You see, it is B6. It is into the B6. So F1, F2, Q3, Q4, B5, B6. Okay, so it got into B6 stock type. Okay, now let us do another example and move the stock into the scrap to one and see what happens. Okay. Okay, let me bring in, I should have bring in first line item also. Okay, but let me bring in the first line item. Okay, for the scrap one, we will do the, okay, let me bring in another inbound delivery. Okay.
Make it like 50 in block and like 50 in like uh, from real time perspective. Just see.
I cannot. Okay, I got a pattern of three. I will go with the pattern. Okay, so you can try this one. Okay. So yeah, I'm again bringing in material to obtain quantity. Okay, I'm saving it. Okay, now inbound delivery. This inbound delivery 2625264 is distributed to the EWM system. Okay, so I'll go to the inbound delivery notification 5264. Okay, so the stock type will be Q3 because it is QQ over there. Okay, so now I'll move the stock into the into scrap. Okay, before that one, let me show you the stock. Okay, let me do the goods receipt. The goods receipt will be will be available in the quality. Okay, on ROD. Okay, now I'm going to MMBE. Okay, SUPL MAT2. Okay, I'm executing this one. You can see the stock will be in ROD in the quality. Okay, so now I'll move that stock into scrap and show you what happens. Okay, in ECC it will be still in the block, but in EWM it will be having a different stock type. Okay, so let me go to the inbound delivery. Okay, I'm going to inbound delivery, follow on functions, warehouse task. Okay, I'm saying create. Okay, so in the default values, I'm selecting the destination storage type as scrap and I'm providing the scrap bin. Okay, I'm clicking on the create. Okay, I'm clicking on create plus save. Everything is green. Okay, before that one, observe the stock in monitor. Okay, so the monitor stock will be Q3. Okay, I have not yet confirmed confirmed it. Okay, the stock is Q3. Okay, now I'm going to confirm the stock. Okay, so warehouse order, confirm. Okay, now I'm confirming it. Okay, now I'll go and refresh the monitor. You can see that, it will be okay. Okay, so refresh it. Okay, observe for the scrap bin. You see the stock type is S6. So your ERP block stock is either converted into B6 or S6. B6 is like, it is a block stock. You still want to work on it and again, move, if possible, move it to the unrestricted. S6 is scrapped one. You do not want to work on it further. Yeah, Abdul, your questions.
Yeah, just want to do some permutations and combinations here. We have 10, right? We have moved this from the quality to the scrap. Okay. So let's take, we have a case wherein we are moving 5 to the blocked and 5 to the scrapped. Something like that, Can
Yeah,
we
you can try
warehouse
that,
now?
right? You can
Sorry?
try that, right? You can try that,
No,
right?
I just
You
want to see
try.
how the system behaves.
You try it, Abdul, let's finish our class. You try this one. Okay. Split that one. Okay. Yeah. Now we will go to the next one. Okay. So, okay. Before that one,
Complete
first
this.
of all, yeah. But before that one, we have to observe where the stock has moved. Okay. The stock is now in the quality inspection. Okay. It is still going to go to the blocked only. In EWM, you have got B6 and S6, but in ERP, it is still BB only. Okay. Okay, you see it has converted to BB. Okay, so the movement type that will still trigger is your 350 only. Okay,
553,
350 only. Okay, so this is the movement type. Okay,
it should actually trigger 553. I don't know why it is
why
triggering.
it is 553? 553 is scrapping. You have still not yet scrapped it. From you take
Okay.
it to the scrapping zone, and from there you scrap the stock. That's the normal thing. Okay, so why it is happening? Okay, it is because of your stock type configurations. Okay. Okay, just observe this permutations. Okay, why your Q3 is getting converted to B6? Because you have for the normal stock, you have assigned BB for the combination of availability group 002 to B6. Okay, so S6 similarly, but S6 was a not normal scrap. It was a scrap stock. Okay, for the combination of 002 and scrap stock. Okay, and BB you have assigned S6. That is the reason it is getting converted to S6. Okay. Okay. But for both of them in ERP, the stock is still in the block stock only. Okay. So this is the beauty of EWM. The block stock of your ERP system can be in both, either in a block stock on which you can further work and move it to the unrestricted, or it can be into a scrapped storage type. From where you can scrap it. Usually, we define a new also we define a special storage location for scrapping, in some businesses. Okay. Now the last scenario pertaining to this availability group, we will see the internal warehouse movement. If you want to move the stock from one bin to another bin, then you have to use this transaction code. This is the transaction code to do the bin to bin movement. Okay. So I'm okay. Let me close. Okay. So I'm doing a bin to bin movement. Okay. So what I want to do is I want to move out of the total quantity. I want to move some stock to block and some stock to scrap storage type from this one. Okay. So I'm doing a advanced open search. Okay. Now to search for the material, click on, okay, you can, you can search either on the material number or you can search by the storage bin. Okay, I'll search by the storage bin. Okay, so click on this, select this one. Okay, click on storage bin, click on the open advanced search. Okay, and click on this button. Okay, provide the storage type in which you want to search. Okay, so the storage type in which I want to search is SUGR. Okay, I want to search in general, GNR. Okay, I want to move some quantity of this general to blocked and some quantity of it to scrap. Okay, so now I'm clicking on the advanced search. Okay, so okay, so this is okay. The advanced search has written you one line item. Okay, so now just click on this to the form view. Okay, come down. Okay, now in order to move the stock from one bin to another bin, the WPT that we have to use is 9999. Okay, this is bin to bin. Okay, so the available total quantity in that bin is 10. How much quantity you want to move? Okay, I want to move, say, some 3 quantity. Okay, and to which destination storage type I want to move? I want to move it to the block to one. Okay, so storage type I want to move it to block to one. Okay, so this is the source bin. Okay, the stock type as of now is F2. Okay, now, okay, provide the destination bin. In the destination bin, provide your block to storage type. Okay, okay, it is not empty. Okay, okay, now you, okay, just observe the stock type is F2 here. Okay, you have the stock type is F2 now. Okay, now we are going to create plus save. Okay, so before that one, check this one. Okay, I'm clicking on create plus save. Okay, if I click on this one, I need not have to do the confirmation. If I don't click on this one, I need to do a separate step. Okay, so let me do. I'm now first clicking on create. Okay, okay, warehouse task is going to be created. Okay, so if you see the form view, the stock will be moved from general bin to destination bin. Okay, now click on create plus save. Okay, it says error message has occurred. The reason may be, okay, okay. Did I not enter warehouse process type? I have entered, right? Okay, somehow it got wrong. Okay.
Good night.
Okay. No, no. The WT is already created. Warehouse task is already created. We need to confirm that warehouse task. Okay. So 3 quantity. I think I've taken 3 quantity, right?
Yeah, there is the open
Okay.
warehouse task.
Okay. I'm going to the warehouse task. Okay. So go to the
Document.
documents, warehouse task. Okay. Provide the, okay, I want to know the open warehouse task. Okay. And warehouse process type is 9999. Okay. Okay, so this is the warehouse task that is not yet confirmed. I'm clicking on the warehouse task. Okay. Okay, it is into the display. Okay, so last time also I had the same issue.
So go to the top and see up above.
No, 1 minute. Okay. So I need to go to the warehouse task and confirm it. Okay, I can also confirm it from the monitor. Okay, this is one way I can do it. Okay, confirm WT in foreground or confirm WT in background. Okay. Okay, I'm confirming the warehouse task. Okay, okay, it has come here. Okay, now I'm confirming it again one more time. Observe this source bin and destination bin. Okay, I'm taking C quantity. So general to block. Okay, so I'm now confirming it. Okay, before confirming it, observe the stock in MMBE for this material. Okay, we are talking about the tree quantity of the material. As of now, you have got 10, 11, okay, 21 in unrestricted and 110 in the blocked. Okay, so I'm confirming plus save. Okay, three quantities is confirmed. Okay, so what happens to the stock? What happens to the stock? It is moving to general. In general, what we map? We have mapped FF, so it will get converted to F2. Okay, okay, go to /n/scwm/monitor. Provide your SAP1 SAP. Okay, go to the stock and bin. Go to the physical stock. Provide the material product SCPL mat2. Okay, observe the stock in your. Okay, we have moved it to. Okay, we have moved from. We have moved from general to. We have moved to the block. So obviously the stock type will be B6. Okay, so it has from 100 to 103. It has become. Okay, so here also general bin was unrestricted F2. So we have moved from unrestricted to block. So obviously the movement type that will trigger is 350 movement type. And the stock will be increased in your block stock. Okay. This one. Okay, there's no movement to the movement back to the 1 minute. Okay. So yeah, blocked the okay. See, we have got movement type 344 triggered because we have moved the stock from unrestricted to the block. Then movement type 344 is triggered for SUPL material 2. Unrestricted to blocked we have moved. Yes. Okay. So 344 movement, but I don't see any movement that is triggered. Yeah, I think there is some issue with the there should be some, what do you say?
Did you confirm the warehouse task?
Yes, I confirmed, right? Okay. So let me go to the best pin and see if there is a open task. I'm in the okay. I'm seeing for the warehouse task. I confirmed it. If it is not confirmed, it is there. I think there is a queue stuck. Okay. Go to SM Q1 for the outbound queue. Okay. So observe for the last queue. Just search for this queue. Is it ours? What it says? Well, this is regarding work step. Work step is not ours, so that's not ours. Functional module and program is wrong. Okay. Hmm. Yeah, we have to search for the queue. Any question on this queues? Queues, you know how to monitor IDOCs, right? You have to similarly monitor the IDOCs, find out the queue, and process it. You have to select like what is the error it is giving. Okay, so you just need to reprocess this queues here. Okay, if there is a master data issue, update the master data and reprocess it. Okay, double click on this queue. It will give you like what function module failed. Okay, you can also go with the, you can also from the monitor go to this tools and message queue. Okay, see the last one is you can also from this monitor you are able to access ERP SMQ2. Okay, you can do that one also. That is from the ERP system you are able to access the QRFC monitor of ERP system. Okay, so this one was the last one. So this is processed. Okay, this is not processed for this. Okay, this was not processed. That is the reason this is having an issue. Okay, so this is why it is not processed. Okay, maybe I forgot to do some goods receipt or something. Okay, go to inbound deliver. Okay, ERP system and find out the issue with this. Go to SMQ2. Provide the inbound deliveries. Okay. Okay. The system failed. Yeah, I'll check on this one. I'll let you know like why it has failed. Okay. But as okay, like you monitor iDocs, you have to use uh SMQ1 and SMQ2 to process this one. I'll monitor this one and let you know like why it has failed. Okay. So there is a queue failure. Okay. So but this is of the inbound delivery that has failed. Okay, we have not seen during the inbound delivery. 18000524.
Should be a vendor's task. It should not be a inbound delivery.
Yeah, inbound delivery one failed, but why we have confirm goods receipt for inbound delivery from EWM? It is asking to confirm. Okay, I think we have not posted goods receipt for this one. Okay, let me go to inbound delivery notification and observe this one. Okay, what was the inbound delivery it was having? Actually, I do not want to deviate, but there's an error because okay, these things you can also solve it once you start like getting accustomed to the system. These are not toughest ones. Okay, monitoring is not a big job. Okay, so I'm going to SCM extended warehouse management or delivery processing, inbound delivery, maintain inbound delivery notification. Okay, the inbound delivery was okay. This was the inbound delivery. Okay, inbound delivery notification. I'm going to the inbound delivery. Okay, so inbound delivery is completed. Then go to the inbound delivery follow on functions warehouse task. Okay, so what happened to this one? I don't know. Okay, let it be. Okay, I do know. Okay, so let's complete this one. So 344 movement type will be triggered. Okay, so similarly, move one quantity from general to scrap. Okay, let us move another quantity from general to scrap. Okay, so again I'm going to SCWM. Okay, ad hoc movement. Okay, so I'm going to move the product. Okay, so now I'm going to again search by the advanced search. I'm going to open advanced search. Okay, provide the storage type from which I want to move the goods. That is my source storage type. Okay, my source storage type is okay GNR. Okay, I'm clicking on the advanced search. Okay, it has resulted in one bin. Okay, one line item. Okay, see this is the line item. I'm selecting this line item. Okay, switch to the okay. So I'm going to move this 7 quantity to okay. Out of this 7 quantity, I'm going to move 5 quantity to which bin I'm going to move I'm going to move to this destination bin,
Yeah.
SCRP. Okay. Okay, scrapping bin. I'm moving to the scrapping bin. I'm saying create. Okay, I'm saying create. Let me see if there are any issues. Okay. Okay, it is asking me to enter the WPT. Yes, the WPT I should enter this. To move from bin to bin, I should enter the 99. Okay. Okay. I'm clicking on create. Okay. So one WPT is created. Okay. Now I can, from here, I can go to the WPT. Okay. I've created the WPT. Okay. So let me just observe this one. Okay. So as per this one, I'm moving the stock from general to this one. I'm saving it, saving this one. Okay. So warehouse order is created. Now you go to the warehouse order and confirm this warehouse order from the monitor. So I've created the warehouse order. Go to the warehouse monitor and documents. Execute. Okay. Go to the documents. Okay. Warehouse task. Open warehouse task. Okay. For which material you want to, okay. The warehouse process type is 9999. Okay. With this one, I'm going to display warehouse task, not warehouse order. You can also go with the warehouse order if you want. Okay. SUPL mat2 is my material. Execute. Okay. So, okay, source bin is general bin, destination bin is, okay, so there are open tasks. Okay. So that has resulted in some inconsistencies. Okay. So we want to move it from general bin to scrap bin. Okay. This is confirmed. Okay. This is not confirmed. Okay. Just select this one. Okay. So this C is confirmed. Okay. Select this one and click on this small icon. Click on this confirm WT in foreground. Okay. So it has like again come to this screen. Okay. Warehouse order screen. You just click on confirm, press save. Okay. There is no issue. See, warehouse order is confirmed. Now the stock will be in the scrapping zone. Okay. Go to the material 2 and observe the stock for the mat 2. Okay. Okay. Go to the stock and bin. Okay. Physical stock. Okay. So SUPL mat 2. It will be having more stock in S6. Okay. So we have moved it to the scrapping zone, right? See, it has got stock in the scrapping zone now. We have moved it from the general. So general was unrestricted. It moved to the blocked. Okay. S6. So general to unrestricted to blocked in ERP is 350 movement type that will be triggering in the background. Yeah. Okay. So in both the cases, the movement type will be, sorry, okay, it will be 344. Okay, just observe those movement types. It will be 344. Okay. Yeah, you will. Okay, in both the scenarios, the movement type is 344. Okay. Unrestricted to blocked is 344, not 350. Okay. Just observe for the movement types, but I don't think the movement types are triggering. Okay. but maybe we have did some. Okay, there's some issue with the. Okay, 344 is not triggering. Okay, the reason is with some. Okay, there might be some issue. Okay, with the monitor. I will monitor and let you know. But any questions on this one? Any questions on the process?
No.
We are moving from the block stock to the
No, GENR was in unrestricted, right? For the GENR, we have taken non-location dependent stock type as FF, right?
okay.
Okay. So from FF, we were moving to the either we were moving to block BLCK or we were moving to
Scrap.
scrap. Okay, in both the cases, the movement type that will trigger is 344. Okay. Okay, the movement type to move the stock from unrestricted to blocked is 344. So the movement type should have triggered is 344. Okay.
What about 340? 340 is for
344 is to move from unrestricted to blocked.
and from quality to blocked is 340, right?
Quality to blocked is 350.
350. Okay.
So now, okay, this is one of the important thing. Just observe this one. Okay, just observe this one. Okay, assume that I do not. Okay, I'm doing a partial goods receipt. Okay, I want to. Okay, I'm doing the inbound delivery. Okay, and I'm doing the inbound delivery. I do not want to send my goods receipt back to the system. I want to send the goods receipt only. I'm done with the put away. Not okay. This time, what is the process we are following? We are first doing a goods receipt, then we are doing a put away. But assume that I want to send goods receipt to ERP system only when I am completed with the put away. Then where you can control? You can go to this path. ERP, EWM system, SPRO, SAP reference, SCM extended warehouse management system. Okay, go to interfaces, then ERP integration. Under the ERP integration, go to the general settings, and under the general settings, set control parameters for ERP version control. Okay, you just under goods receipt mode. See, as of now, we are immediately sending the information to the ERP system. But if you want to send, okay, the after your put away, then you can send full GR at end of put away process. You have got another 3 options. Similarly, these controls are available with the variety of controls. For example, prevent batch creation in EWM. Do you want to create batch MSC1N to create the batch in ERP system? Do you want to create batch in ECC system as well as in EWM system? Then you have to select this one. Okay. But if you do not want to create batch in EWM system, you can go with this one.
This one we are controlling at the warehouse number level, right? Not
No,
the job content.
this is at the client level.
Client level.
Okay. Yeah. And also advanced, see, ASN number is unique. If you try to create ASN number is when we were creating purchase order, we were giving external ID. If you do same number twice, the system will go, okay, your ASN will go into, okay, the inbound delivery notification will be into the error mode because your ASN is not unique. Okay, just observe this one. This is very powerful tool. Okay, so we'll stop it here. But before stopping it, okay, there was a little confusion, but in terms of process, it was very clear, right? The main idea of this class was, okay, agenda of this class was to explain availability group, non-location dependent stock type, and how you can use it by assigning it into the storage type and also stock type rule. Okay, any questions on this one?
No.
Okay. So Sufyan, you had some question. Okay, what is the question you were having?
Sorry,
Nothing, sir. Fine.
Nothing. Okay,
Yeah.
fine.
Sir, can you tell me one small question? Can you tell me the path where the stock will automatically get from. Hello?
Sorry,
Am I audible?
Which one?
No, the
The stock.
SPRO path
For which?
from unrestricted to block type. You have shown one path, right? Directly when
Yeah,
we do the
that is under the availability group. Okay.
available. Fine.
Yeah,
Small
so you go to SPRO. Everything is there
Okay.
in the document. Please refer to my documents.
Yeah,
My
sir. Yeah, sir.
documents. So
Yeah.
go to
Okay.
extended warehouse management, goods receipt process. Then you have got configure availability group for put away, configure stock type. So this is where
Perfect.
the all. Okay, this is the table which controls the stock type conversions from ECC stock type to ERP stock type to EWM stock types. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Stop recording.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Thanks all.
Yeah,
We'll connect
yeah,
tomorrow.
please stay on the call, Venkatam, for a minute.